Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash. So let's start. First, open the GCash application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on My Links account. Here, you will see several options. Go ahead and click on PayPal. In this menu, just tap on Link Account. Here, enter your PayPal email address and phone number, and below, your password. Once you have successfully logged into your PayPal account, it will now be linked to your GCash account. After that, you can now transfer money from PayPal to GCash. So go back to your home page and tap on this Cash In button. Here, tap on Global Banks and Partners. Under Partners section, you will now see PayPal. Just tap on it. In this page, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember that the minimum cash-in amount is 500 pesos, so you need to transfer money greater than that amount. After entering the amount, just tap on this Next button and complete the transaction. After that, the money will be transferred immediately to your GCash account. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.